This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making egg toast in an air fryer. In an earlier video, I did a ham and eggs breakfast sandwich in an air fryer. I made a hole in the center for the eggs to sit in. But some of you ask what you can do with the bread from the hole. Well, you can make a uniquely shaped French toast, link in the description below, or you can use this recipe. For this recipe, you will need 1 egg per slice of bread. Your eggs should be at room temperature. If you keep your eggs in the fridge, take them out for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow them to get back to room temperature. You will also need your standard white sandwich bread. Butter the surface with a spoon. Then, use the spoon to make a depression in the center of the bread for the egg to sit in. By the way, this recipe works best with and only with white bread. Don't spoil it by using some healthy bread. Cut a piece of processed cheese into 4 strips. Then, place it around the hole. Next, break each egg into a separate bowl. Now, this next step is important. Put the bread in the air fryer basket first before you put the eggs into the hole. Otherwise, it'll be very difficult for you to transfer the egg and the bread into the basket. Pour the egg onto the bread. Adjust the base to make sure that the egg does not spill over. Season this with salt and pepper. Now, gently close the air fryer. Toast this at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes. But do check your bread at about the 6th to 7th minute, as some air fryer are more powerful than others, and therefore the timing will vary. I love to have my egg toast with a little ketchup served on the side. This is how you make egg toast in an air fryer.